New Year's resolutions start dropping like flies about now. While many of us are thinking about our health goals in January, what we want to start doing, what we want to stop doing, finding the discipline and momentum to implement them can be a hurdle. We're leaning more towards hibernation than motivation. And if you look at the natural world in my neck of the woods, in the Northeast anyway, it's doing the same. Nothing in nature is busy in winter. This is a time of year to sleep more, recharge our batteries, gather and cultivate the seeds for what we hope to sprout in spring. But it can be challenging to muster motivation as the new year dazzle wears off and everything in you is just longing to slow down. Yet, it's also the prime time to create a vision for the year ahead because we've likely got a little more time and space in our calendar. So, how can we bridge this gap? If you want to take better care of yourself, but it feels overwhelming and you're not sure where to start, your gut is generally a good place. And gosh, there is a lot to digest right now out in the wider world, if not in your own life. And digestion powers everything. It's like the sun that the rest of our body orbits around. Our energy, our mood, our capacity, all fueled by our gut. I created a free 20-minute class, and only 10 minutes if you watch it at double speed, that covers the basics of digestive health and gives you a chance to get personalized feedback on your gut from me at no cost. So in this class, I cover Ayurveda's unique approach to digestion, the main cause of most digestive issues, the 3 different gut types that we see in Ayurveda, why one-size-fits-all solutions don't work, and some simple first steps to start feeling better. So here's how it works. You watch the class, you fill out a short form, and I'll send you a video with my insights about what's going on with your digestion and how you might support it. It feels more and more important to tend to our own well-being. I'm convinced that this is the best health insurance there is. And when we do that, when we show up feeling like our best selves, others are inspired to do the same. But if you're exhausted by self-managing your health and you want someone to think with you, to suggest a few small steps that feel doable, I'd love to be of support. You don't need to come up with the answers and the motivation all on your own. Let me help you get started. So you can find the link to the class below in the description. And if you know someone else who needs this kind of support, please share this with them. Thanks for being here.